What is up, squad? Today we are propagating some Christmas cactus or Easter cactus. Doesn't really matter. They're propagated in the same way. They're pretty much the same thing. Some of these sections, particularly this one, are probably too big. They really don't need to be this big. But I'm just going to go with it, see what happens. I'm going to be planting a bunch of little one-section ones anyway, so we'll be fine regardless. And I've got this old rooting powder. I got it for free because it was old in the year 2021. So it might have gone bad. I don't know if it really goes bad. It doesn't have a year on the bottle. So I'm just going to add a bit to the soil, and then I'm going to dip them all in it. Just, I don't know. Can't hurt. Maybe it can. Hopefully it doesn't. I let these callus over for 2 days. You really only need to do 1 day, but 2 will not hurt. I'm going to plant these up now. I'm going to do the little ones first. So I'm going to dip them all. I got a rooting powder right here. I'm going to dip them all in rooting powder. The soil, I already got the soil wet, so that I wouldn't have to water them after. And normally you would want a soil with a bunch of perlite or rocks or something to help it drain, but I do not have that, and so I'm just rolling with regular potting soil in a really shallow pot, because the shallow pot will help it drain quicker. Oh, I just realized I forgot to dip some of these in the rooting powder. Doesn't really matter. Probably won't do much anyway. You really do not need a rooting powder. I know for a lot of plants, rooting powder does literally nothing. Or at least I've seen people claim it does. These should root up. And I put them in a clear pot, so in the future I'll do an update video so you can see the roots. And they should get pretty nice and big out of this. It'll take a few weeks for them to be rooted. And this big one didn't fit in here, so I'm going to put this big one in its own pot. I'm going to put this big one in this little water bottle. I'm going to water it first though. I'll put on a beanie to hopefully keep the hair out of the video. We'll see if that works. Smooth out the dirt first, and I'm actually going to add some more dirt to that. Holy shit, wow. Bottom of the drip tray really filled up. Ah, why do I have to be so fucking messy with this? Okay, we're now going to plant this. And I used a water bottle, so this will be clear too. That was my goal there. I'm going to bury this entire bottom piece. Okay. This should be good. Both of these should grow well. This is amazing. I will update this in the future once you can see roots. Or maybe once they show growth, whichever happens first. But I assume I'll be able to see the roots first. So that is epic. That is amazing. You should totally like this video and comment something random to help me in the algorithm. I would love you for that.